Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to Outdoor and Door Texan. Today I'm going to be walking you through one of the simplest pickled pepper recipes there is. If you've ever pickled peppers before, this probably won't be the video for you. But for those of you who are just getting started and want a helpful walkthrough and a basic recipe to build off of, stick around. Okay, with all that covered, we'll be starting out by prepping our peppers. I'm working with about a half pound of cayennes and serranos coming out of my garden, but you can literally sub in any chili pepper under the sun for this. Take a knife and remove the tops of each pepper. Then you can either chop all your peppers into mini coins or simply halve the peppers. This is totally up to you and how you like to eat them when they're done. After your prep work, transfer your peppers into the jar and set them aside so we can focus on building a brine. In a small to medium saucepan, add 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now simply bring that brine up to a rolling boil over your stovetop and then bring it back over to pour into your jar. But right before pouring your brine, add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, either minced or smashed. You could add these earlier, I just completely forgot. Make sure to pour your liquid in while it's still very hot. This acts as an additional round of sanitization. Also, once you immediately follow that up by putting your lid on, it will create a vacuum, which isn't as important with fridge pickles, but still a nice safety measure to help keep the environment bad guy free. And just like that, you're done. Like I said at the beginning, always store these in your fridge. Also, try your very best not to open up the jar until a couple of days have gone by so the peppers have an opportunity to soak in some of that brine. Once you've started eating them, make sure to finish them within 2 to 4 weeks just to be safe. You can most likely keep them longer in the fridge, but use common sense. If there's mold growing, or if there's a really funky smell or a funky taste developing, don't risk it, just pitch it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope this recipe helps some of you get started on the very fun and very rewarding hobby of pickling. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to follow up with my 2 cents. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more great content to come. All right, y'all, take care.